Welcome back to Lab Cyber. Now, one thing you should know about me is that I love watching movies. I love watching all kinds of movies, whether it's horror, action, sci-fi, comedy, drama, you name it, I am there. I love watching movies. So for today's video, I thought I would make a short video talking about the movie that I believe is the AI movie of the year. Now, to be fair, I only saw 3 AI movies this year, 2 of which came out in the previous years. I rewatched Ex Machina, which I believe is one of the greatest AI movies of all time. If you haven't seen Ex Machina, go and watch that movie. I also watched Creator, which came out last year. And the third AI movie I watched is actually the movie I want to talk about. That movie is called Companion. It came out in February or January this year. And the interesting thing here is that I actually wasn't even aware of this movie when it came out. The only reason why I actually watched the movie is because a friend of mine watched it and said, "Hey Alex, you have to go and see this movie. It is a fantastic movie." I watched it and I do agree it is a really good movie to watch, especially if you're into like AI and stuff like that. So don't worry, I'm not going to give away any spoilers because I want you to enjoy the movie as much as I did. So I'm just going to talk very briefly, give you a non-spoiler review of this movie and why I believe it is a movie that you should watch, and also why it is my AI movie of the year. Now, to be fair, when I went to watch this movie called Companion, I had absolutely no idea that AI was involved. Judging by the title, I thought that Companion was just going to be a movie about someone's companion. Okay, maybe there might be like some murder mystery or something might happen, and there might be some cheating involved, something like that, right? So it caught me by surprise when it was revealed that AI is actually involved. And even when the AI aspect is introduced, there are still multiple twists to this movie that will keep you on the edge of your seat. So even though you now know that AI is involved in this movie, trust me when I say that you're not going to see the twists that actually do happen in this movie. One other thing I will say is that the reason why this movie is a really good movie about AI is because it's actually kind of realistic, the things that happen in this movie. When you look at a movie like, say, Terminator, right, with Skynet, machines taking over the world, that seems rather unrealistic, at least anytime soon. However, we know for a fact that AI companions are coming, okay? AI robots, robot girlfriends, robot boyfriends, robot companions, robot life partners, you name it, they will eventually arrive. And when they do arrive, what are the things that we will be able to do with these companions, okay? This movie really explores that conversation in full details. And like I said, it is a very compelling movie to watch because it seems rather realistic that things like this might actually happen sometime in the future. One other thing I really loved about this movie is that it also shows you the different ways how AI models can be upgraded, okay? You may see them being able to do one thing and then they learn, and then they're able to do another thing, and so on and so forth. So you really get to see how AI companions interact with normal human beings, how they can be downgraded, how they can be upgraded. And that's all I'm gonna say because I really don't want to give anything more about this movie. If you're looking for a good movie to watch during these holidays for Christmas and the New Year, and it's a movie about AI with lots of interesting twists here and there, I can highly recommend that you go watch Companion. Now, towards the end, it does get kind of predictable. You kind of know what's going to happen next. But I will say that for about 50 to 70% of this movie, I was genuinely surprised and I was like, wow, this is actually pretty cool. Where they're taking AI to, where the kinds of topics they're discussing about or they're talking about in this movie. I think it's a movie you should definitely watch if you're interested in AI. So that's it for today's very short review on what I believe is the AI movie of the year, Companion. Definitely go watch it if you haven't done so already. If you have seen Companion, what did you think about the movie? I'd love to hear your thoughts, but please don't give away any spoilers, because there might be people who watch this movie and they're gonna go down to the comment section, and I don't want them to be spoiled, because I want them to also enjoy the twists as much as you and I did. So I'd love to hear from you. Did you enjoy the movie? Is there any other AI related movie that you watched this year that you'd like to recommend? I'd love to hear from you. Put your comments down in the comment section below. Thank you so much. And of course, if you're new here to the channel, welcome to Lab Cyber. My name is Alex. I talk about all things related to cybersecurity and AI. So if you do enjoy content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with anyone whom you feel might benefit from it. And as always, stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you next time. Cheers.